Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about project management system. Let's see the abstract of this project. So the college management system is a web-based application developed using a PHP, and this project aims to provide an efficient and centralized platform for the students, faculties and administrators to collaborate, monitor and evaluate the progress of various academic projects undertaken by the students. So the objective of this project is to load the project, and the administrator can view the project developed by the students will be known to the administrator or the faculty. So here the project management system for enhanced collaboration and efficiency is a comprehensive software solution designed to streamline and optimize project planning, execution and monitoring. In today's dynamic business environment, effective project management is essential for an organization to deliver a project on time, within a budget and with the high quality. This system aims to address these challenges by providing the centralized platform. Now let's see the flow diagram of this project. Initially, the admin will log in using those credentials like email ID and password. After that, after the successful login, admin can add the new student by creating a student profile using email ID, password, name and also the profile of the student. So after that, he can also view the registered students list. He also have the privilege to view the projects added by the students and also can remove or edit those projects. So in the project tab, it will show the project name, description and also the status of this project. Either it is on progress or a hold or done. So these are the details viewed by the admin. After that, a user can enter into this process by login. So the credentials given to the user is just an email and password, and after that the user will log into this process. He can also edit his profile by manage accounts tab. After that, he will upload the projects using the project name, description and the file he need to upload. After that, he can add the start date, end date and the uploading a project is based on the domain name. So the user will give the domain name and upload this project. It will be stored in the database according to the domain name. So and also a user can change the password by managing account, and after this process, user will log out from this session. So now the admin will log in and view the added projects, which means the projects added by the students, and also he can remove those projects. And also admin will view the projects in the list. Now let's see how to run this project. Firstly, the admin is going to log in. So admin is the password. Scalar sign in. So here already we have already the students had uploaded his project. So the admin can view that project name and description, start date, end date and also. So here also it will be shown that the project manager can view the project and also can edit the project and also can delete this project. So delete, it will be deleted from the data, it will be deleted on the database. So here report, we have deleted that project. So we are the admin project manager is going to add a new user. username as gmail.com Vinod. And he is an employee. We are going to upload his profile. So we can save this profile. So Vinod is added to this users. So now the user is going to log in gmail.com. Sign in. Now the user is going to add a new project. So it may be a Java project like spam detection. Start date is just like 10. Save. So we have saved the project. We can also add another project by click on the add like that. So dashboard will welcome the user. Now the admin is login. So admin can view the project name, description, and when the user have started, and end status, and also the role. So view project. Admin can view the project like that. Edit, and here he can edit the domain name, like he can choose another file. So it can be saved. In report page he can print the status. So print